Hello everyone. Our lesson today is about second conditional. Second conditional. Second conditional. We use second conditional to talk about situations that are not real. Talk about situations that are not real at the moment في هذه اللحظة. Not real غير حقيقية at the moment في هذه اللحظة. Or situation that are not likely in the future. غير متوقعة in the future في المستقبل. Second conditional. The rule of second conditional is if plus if closed in the past simple. If plus if closed in the past simple. Comma. Main clause consists of could, would, or might plus infinitive. If we use if in the beginning, we should put comma between if clause and main clause. But if we use if in the middle, we don't use comma. Example. If I have a lot of money, if I have between two brackets, have here is wrong. If I have a lot of money, comma, I buy a bigger house. If I have a lot of money, this is if it close in the past simple. We should use past simple. Have into had. Past simple. If I had a lot of money, I would buy. If I had a lot of money, comma, I would buy a bigger house. Here, if in the beginning. If we use if in the middle, the same example. I buy a bigger house, it becomes would buy. I would buy a bigger house if I had a lot of money. We have in lesson 5, page 110, exercise A in the activity book. We have this exercise. Number 1. If she have shorter hair, شعر, she look nicer. تبدو أجمل. Here, the if clause should be in the past simple. Have would be had. If she had shorter hair, she would look. She would look nicer. Number 2. You not be tired if you go to bed earlier. Here, this example, if is found in the middle. So we don't have a comma. Here is the main clause, but it is negative. We would not be tired. You would not be tired if you go becomes went, because it is past simple. If you would not be tired if you went to bed earlier. Number 3. If not smart, if he not smart, he be a lot healthier. أكثر صحة. Not smart. It is negative and if it lows. It should be the past simple. Past simple. Did not smoke. If he did not smoke, he would be becomes would be a lot healthier. Number 4. This is question. What you do? What you do if you find 3 million Iraqi dinars in the street? It is a question mark. Start with a question. What? If in the middle, here is the main clause. What you do becomes what would you do? What would you do? What would you do if you find? In the past simple, find becomes found. Found. If you found. This verb, find becomes found 3 million Iraqi dinars in the streets. Number 5. If you have wings إذا كان لديك جناحين where you fly أين تطير. This situation is not real. If is in the beginning. If you have becomes had. If you had wings. If you had wings, comma. Where would you fly? Where would you fly? If you had wings, إذا كان لديك جناحين, where would you fly? أين ممكن أن تحلق? Thank you very much. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much.